Counterproofing is a process in printmaking where we ink and print one block and then use that impression to transfer the information to another block. So let's get started. Our setup will be very typical, except for using the template that we've previously made for the printing. I've inked the block. I really want to make sure I take my time and firmly set it in that corner. And then do the same with my printing paper. I really want to make sure it's flush with that bottom edge and lines up with the corner as well. So I'm going to take a little bit of time to do this and then massage the paper down and start the printing process. Okay, so here I am finishing printing my block. I will say that I do like to make sure when I put the paper down that I gently rub the block so the ink sticks to the paper. It keeps the paper from shifting, which can be really crucial in this process. So you really want to take your time, and even though this isn't a final print, you want to make sure you get a good transfer of ink onto this impression. Okay, so here I am just pulling the print off the block. Now to counterproof. So I'm going to start off the same way. I'm grabbing a blank block and I'm going to take my time and really line it up on the template. Then I'm going to grab my print and again line it up really carefully on the template, smooth it into place, and now it's going to feel much the same. I'm going to use the spoon to transfer the ink from this print to the new block. So again, I want to take my time. I really want to make sure that I get that ink to transfer to all the areas of the block that I need. So no rush, take your time as you're doing this. Just keep going over it, give it some pressure. I like printing with the spoon so I can use the kind of sharp edge, the point of it if I need to. Okay, so just like printing, I can check my progress by lifting a corner before I fully remove the print from the block. So feel free, and actually I encourage you to do that. Take your time in doing this. And lastly, as I'm finishing up and feel like I'm ready, I will actually pull the impression away from the block and the information will be registered to that block. The crucial points when doing this is that careful alignment at the beginning of the process of the block to the corner of the template and the paper as well for both the print and the transfer. Okay, now that I've got that information on the second block, I can let it dry for a few minutes before I move on to the next part of our jigsaw or multi-block process.